All right, YouTube. Um, we're gonna be changing the oil for this particular car, 2006 Chevy Equinox. So let's begin. All right, to do the change oil, simply jack the car or lift up the car. So here is our oil filter, and here's our drain plug. So you're gonna need 13 millimeter socket to remove this. All right, so now it's draining. It's actually really thick now. I think it's been here for a while. Okay, so we're removing now the oil filter. It's really tight in here. Seems like it's been sitting there for a while now too. So make sure you watch out with the oil drip. Right there. Now it's coming. So let it drip first. Then remove it when it's done. Okay, so filter is up. Make sure this rubber seal are not sticking out there, because sometimes they do stick in there and you put another filter, then it's gonna leak. So make sure it's not there and clean it a little bit. Right, so we got a new filter that goes here. So this is just hand tight, like so. That should be good. Okay, then now we gotta put the plug next. Right there. Oh, also make sure the seal, this one has the rubber seal washer or gasket. Yeah, make sure you have that, or it's gonna leak. And that's it here. We're done in the bottom. Okay, now let's put oil in it. With the my trusty 3D print oil funnel. Yeah, put the oil there slowly. I like to put my oil sideways, the jug. It's easier this way. And for this particular vehicle, it will take the whole 5 liters of oil. Maybe even more, a little bit more after this. Alright, so check the lipstick. So the 5 liters, it will get us to a little bit more oil, but we haven't started the engine yet. So soon we're going to start the engine, then this oil level should go down, probably maybe even in the middle. So we're going to start the engine to cycle the oil. Wait for a couple minutes and that should be good. Alright, so we're a little bit over. But this engine leaks a lot of oil, so that should cover it. But if you have a good condition, if you have an engine that it's not leaking oil, it will not take 5 liters, maybe 4.5 liters, or maybe a little bit more than that. So yeah, just take note. That's well, this will take around 4.5 or a little bit more, because this is a little bit over. Yes, right there. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.